Hey SAMFAM, welcome back to my channel and hope you guys are doing good. Today's eye makeup is going to be blue half cut crease with glitter, and I like how this look turned out. I mean, the glitter is good, it's blended really nicely, lashes perfect for me. So if you want to know how I get this look, please keep on watching. Hey guys, so since today's look is going to be mainly about the eyes and the lips, and you have seen me doing my base and my eyebrows in the previous tutorials, so I'm going to skip right past through it and I'll meet you right back. Hey guys, so I just did my eyebrows and base quickly. Now we're going to do eye makeup. We are starting by using the shade Punch Me and Canvas with a bigger blending brush. Over here we're picking up the shade Capella and Spooky with a pencil brush. Now we're using the shade Cola and Spooky, mixing them both to give an intensifying effect. We will also take the darker shadows and put them in the outer corner and make it sort of like a wing to give a more winged effect and a cat eye effect. Now we are using the shade Brother with the blender brush to put in our crease. Now we are taking the shade Playground with a small blender brush and we'll blend that shade above the shade Brother to give a blended ombre effect. We are going to take the shade Brother and Playground and put them between the outer corner and the lid space and blend them to give a nice blended look. Now we're going to half cut our crease using any concealer that you have and a flat concealer brush, and we're going to cut our crease in halfway, not the full one because we are doing a half cut crease. Now we are picking up the shade Hello with a small shader brush and put that on our lid. Over here I'm taking the shade Cola with a pencil brush and I'm putting that in the outer corners and slightly blending it towards the lid. Now I'm taking the shade Playground and I'm mixing the shade with a little bit of shade Cola and really blending it between the outer corners and the crease because we want to give a really nice blended look. Now I'm taking the shade Cola with a very small pencil brush from Bhcosmetics and blending it under my eyes to smoke it out a little, also deposit the color intensely. Now I'm taking the shade Playground with a little bigger pencil brush and blending the previous color out. Now I'm taking the shade Artistry. It's a very purple iridescent color, and I'm using my finger and dabbing it between the blended outer corner and the lighter shade on the lid to give a little contrasting effect. Now I'm using the Hang Fang liquid glitter eyeshadow in shade number 1 and applying it all over the lid and blending it nicely towards the purple color. Now we are applying the same liquid glitter on the inner corners and lower lash line. Now I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate and I'm using it to highlight my brow bone and really making it pop. Now I'm going to line my eyes and I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Gel Eyeliner in Profound Black, and I'm using a eyelining brush and I'm going to do a simple liner, not a winged one. Over here I'm going to use the MAC waterproof mascara and I'm going to coat my lashes with it. Now we'll dust off all the excess powder under our eyes because we're going to start with the face now. Hey guys, now that we are done with the eye makeup, we are going to start with the rest of the face, and for contour I'm going to use my all-time trusty and favorite NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette as it says, and we're going to use this shade. Normally I use the mix of these shades, but today I want to go a little neutral, not too warm. I want to match the color scheme, so I don't want too much of warmth in it. And I'm going to take this shade. Now make sure when you go from here to here you blend upwards, and when you go over here you blend this towards this side. Do not go over here because you want to make shadows over here, and if this area pops out a little it will give an illusion of much more slimmer look. Now that I'm contouring my nose, I'll be taking a flat blender brush and I'm going to take the same contouring shades and apply it on the natural contour lines of my nose. And right now I'm just packing the product on the contour lines of my nose. Later I'll be blending it with my fingers because that, I guess, for me gives a better blending, and you can use a brush, no issues with that. Over here for the blush, I'm using Bhcosmetics classic blush palette, the 10 color one, and I'm going to mix these three shades actually, because I want a neutral tone but with a little bit hint of pink or a peach color. I'm going to use the banana powder or the yellow powder for highlighting under my eyes. Basically, I'm going to take it from a dome shaped or a very small brush. I'm going to use it for highlighting under my eyes and all of the areas that I want to highlight a bit more. Here comes my favorite step, highlighting. I'm using my all-time trusty Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter, and as you can see that I'm also applying it on the apples of my cheek and little further than that, because I've explained it in previous tutorials also. It gives a natural look when photos are clicked. Over here I'm going to use the Maybelline powder matte lipstick in the shade Toasted Brown, and I'm going to use on my lips because this is like my most favorite lipstick. Like no other lipstick can match it. It's that favorite of mine. If you think it gives very brown, it's not that pinky tone as you saw in the intro, don't worry, later we are going to apply a lip gloss which is going to give that pinky peachy effect. Now we are going to use the NYKAA lip gloss in the shade Honey Boo. It's a very nice peachy mauve shade and it just plumps up your lips, and that's what I wanted for this look. So most of my look is done. Now it's time for setting our face. So for setting spray, I'm going to use Max Factor Lasting Performance Setting Spray. It's a really good one and it's tried and tested. Hi guys, so this is the final look and I like this look. It's I could have done a little lip art with this look, but the eyes are so heavy. I wanted to keep my lips a little light, and I love how this eye makeup turned out. It's for someone who likes to glam up a lot. You can wear it maybe to a nightclub. If you're having any family wedding, you can try this look out. If you have any blue kind of a dress, and yeah, I mean, I really like this look. I mean, it's super highlighted as I like. Come on, highlighting is life. So yeah, eye makeup is really nice. Lashes are good. Under eyes are also smoked out. I mean, what else does this look require? And actually, toning down the lipstick really worked for this look. Why? Because if I would have gone with something really heavy on the lips as well as on the eye, it would have been little too much, and then not a lot of people could have worn it, and I wanted to do a look that somehow some people can recreate or actually wear it if they have any occasion at their home. And I hope you guys love this look, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to click the bell icon because that will get you to know when I upload my next video and any updates regarding my channel. See ya.